Galicia has a maritime essence. With more than 1,500 kilometers of coastline, its history and economy are closely linked to the sea. The Galician naval maritime industry is one of the main pillars of the metal sector and its associated technologies. From shipyards to the auxiliary industry, more than 270 companies across the entire value chain work every day to build the future of the blue economy. They generate more than 8,500 jobs and 200 million euros in annual exports. Galicia enjoys a privileged location which, combined with its extensive know-how and 5 deep-water port infrastructures, makes it highly valued abroad. As proof, 90% of the ships built in the last decade in Galician shipyards have been exported to other countries. The estuaries of Vigo, Pontevedra and A Coruña are home to the private sector, which focuses on shipbuilding and repair. Support vessels, fishing boats, passenger ships, recreational boats, patrol boats and oceanographic are some of the value-added vessels they build. The Ferrol estuary is home to the Navantia public shipyards, which, together with the auxiliary industry in the area, focus mainly on highly innovative military vessels, such as the F-110 frigates. At the same time, Galicia has become an international hub for offshore wind power in recent years, especially in the Ferrolterra area. With Navantia Synergies, Windar, Windwaves and a large group of complementary companies, this region is now a supplier of foundation structures, vessels and services for offshore wind farms around the world. This is an example of Galicia's leadership in the transition to a blue and sustainable economy. The Galician maritime shipbuilding industry is also highly competitive. It is committed to innovation and cross-cutting challenges such as digitization, process automation, ship electrification, new fuels, autonomous ships and new materials, which are setting its course for the future. To meet all these challenges, the shipbuilding and maritime industry has the strong support of ACIME, the Association of Metal Industries and Related Technologies of Galicia, which has been promoting this industry as one of its key pillars for more than 45 years. As the largest international cluster in the region, ACIME promotes business collaboration, innovation, internationalization and training to foster growth and competitiveness. The Maritime Trends and Go Into Hub congresses also offer networking and knowledge-sharing opportunities to exchange the latest trends in the sector and secure important contracts and projects that will enable us to continue growing and promoting Galician talent across 5 continents. We are dealing with a modern, sustainable and competitive industry that combines tradition and cutting-edge technology. Because the Galician shipbuilding industry is synonymous with technology, experience and commitment to innovation. An industry that looks to the future with the strength of the sea. Galician shipbuilding and maritime industry. Innovation sailing into the future.